Hey everybody, welcome. Anissa here. I'm in my vegetable garden and I have to do a bit of a bitch session, so to speak. I follow somebody online who also is into the vegetable gardening element. And several months ago, he posted something regarding companion planting. Completely wrong. I mean, I'm not here to say, oh, you're not doing it right and pointing the finger. But this is like blatantly the wrong information. Companion planting is a thing. It does exist. I went to school in horticulture. We were taught this. It is a thing. This individual was saying that there's no scientific proof that it's not a thing. And I'm like, So do me a favor, folks. Do your research. Don't just listen to me, what I say. I'm here telling you what I know based on my education and my experience and open to learning, right? So definitely do your research. It just blows my mind. This individual has a very big following and he's not giving people the right information. Pick a plant and you can say, hey Siri, what's a companion plant for a tomato? There are companies now that are creating, what would be that'd be called like a pizza garden. So tomatoes, basil, onion, not garlic. Garlic can be close, but not right beside it. I'm not joking you. Like this is a real thing. My grandparents did this. This is something that's been in existence for generations. Do your research. Know what you're doing. Don't just take one individual's word for it because there's a lot of misinformation out there. And now, you know.